Hey everyone! In today's video, I want to talk about how you as an affiliate marketer can start to make commissions almost immediately using a simple strategy. When starting out as an affiliate marketer, one of your first tasks is to build an email list. How would you feel if I showed you a method whereby you could start to make commissions almost immediately whilst doing this? In today's video, I will talk about this simple method, but before we move on to that, I would quickly like to welcome you to my channel. My aim is to provide you with good quality, trustworthy information that will help you to succeed online as an affiliate marketer. And affiliate marketing is certainly my favourite way to make money online. Why? Well, quite simply, with affiliate marketing, you get paid a commission for recommending someone else's product. You never have to create your own product or deal with any customer service and support. In my opinion, it's the best method to make money online, no matter what your level of experience. So I've created this channel to pass on useful information for new and struggling affiliates. One thing I do promise is that my videos will be short and to the point. I know your time is valuable, and for this reason I will not waffle on. I promise to make my videos short, but I will try and be helpful to those of you who are new or struggling to see success as an affiliate. So if you enjoy this video, be sure to hit the like button and also the subscribe button. When you hit the subscribe button, you'll see a bell symbol. There will be 3 options to click. Make sure you click where it says all. This will turn on your notifications so YouTube will let you know whenever I post a new video. Okay, let's move on to today's topic. How to make money almost immediately with this simple affiliate marketing strategy. Now, this particular strategy involves making use of the thank you page that usually appears just after someone has subscribed to your email list. Basically, when someone gives you their email address via your opt-in page, the email address is sent to an autoresponder and stored. So the person who subscribed knows their opt-in was successful. They are directed to a thank you page. Now, this is typically a page that thanks them for subscribing and tells them to check their email. This is how a run-of-the-mill thank you page works. However, sending people to a typical thank you page is a wasted opportunity. You see, this is in fact a good opportunity to make your new subscriber an offer whilst you have their attention. Many affiliate marketers fail to realise that they can use this thank you page to actually make an offer. Now, the thank you page is generally already set up in your autoresponder, and when someone subscribes to your list, they will be directed to the thank you page on successful completion of their opt-in. Now, you can choose to change this thank you page, and rather than having a generic, boring thank you page, you can actually change this page so you are actually making an offer. As an affiliate marketer, you would find a suitable offer and paste your affiliate link into the thank you field in your autoresponder. This way, your new subscriber will be directed to your affiliate offer rather than the normal boring thank you page. By doing this, you will have the opportunity to start making commissions almost immediately, as some people who subscribe to your list and therefore see your affiliate offer may choose to buy straight away. Now, if you look at the screen, I'll quickly run through the process. Basically, when a visitor goes to your opt-in page, okay, so there's your visitor, he goes to your opt-in page and subscribes to your list, a few things happen. First of all, their email address is stored in your autoresponder. So his email address be stored in your autoresponder. Now, because you have pasted your affiliate link into the thank you field inside your autoresponder, now, on successful completion of the opt-in process, the prospect will now be directed to your affiliate offer. Okay, and some of these prospects will end up buying, so you make a commission. Now, in order to be successful with this, obviously you need to find a good affiliate offer that converts well. If you look below in my description, you'll see a link where you can register for a free online training video where my partner Dean, a hugely successful affiliate marketer, will talk about the 4 key steps you need to follow to grow a profitable affiliate business today. Now I highly recommend you sign up and watch this video. Now hopefully you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please do me a favour and click the like button. Also, please do leave a comment below this video as I appreciate your feedback. And make sure you go below and click the link and watch Dean's free online training video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications by clicking the bell symbol and then clicking where it says all, so you'll be notified immediately when I release a new video. Thank you.